Got another lesson for you from Future's new album, Pluto X Baby Pluto. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Real Baby Pluto. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of a single riff. So we're going to start on the 6th fret of the A string. And while palm muting, you're going to pluck it 6 times. Then we're going to go to the 6th fret of the low E string and pluck that 6 times while palm muting. Then 8th fret A string, and we're going to pluck that 4 times. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Real Baby Pluto. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.